Hello viewer, here I am going to create a soda can design. So it will be a soft drink can design here. So let's wait for it. It's a software can in 3D shape. Here we will choose a color for it. So as you can see, that is the design. There we have the design as well. We can pump opacity. We can show you the opacity here, reflection as well. Now I will show you how it looks with that one.